Okay, so today is our second day of proportions, and we are going to practice one more time that we understand how the 5 steps that are required to solve every proportion. So look at problem number 12 and open your journals to the work section. We've got 18 over 15 is equal to some quantity 9 over s. 9 over s. All right, step 1 is to make an oval of our cross products from the numerator of the first fraction to the denominator of the second fraction. And this will go on the left-hand side of the equal sign. So we have 18 times s, and as mathematicians we know we can write that as 18s, and the multiplication is assumed between the two numbers. Now we're ready to make our second cross product oval, and that would be 15 and 9. So on the right-hand side, we'll write 15 times 9. Now, Ellie, when you did 15 times 9, what did you get? What'd you get?
135.
How many people confirm that it's 135? Good. Now we're at a one-step equation. This is what we did earlier this week. We know that the operation between the 18 and the s is multiplication. What's the inverse operation to multiplication?
Division.
Division, good. And what's the coefficient with the variable? 18, good. So we're going to divide both sides by 18. We use the inverse operation and the coefficient that is with the variable. 18 divided by 18 is 1 whole. 1 times s leaves us s on the left-hand side of the equation. And raise your hand when you have the answer for what 135 divided by 18 is. Dominic, what'd you get?
7.5.
7 and 5/10. And that will be our solution. So every proportion that you do for me today will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps. Then remember to keep our papers nice and neat. We'll skip a line, and then we'll go to the next line. Remembering only one column of problems down the page. Any questions? Thanks. All right, go ahead and open your books to 221, and we're going to start with our line paper today. We're going to do a combination of story problems and proportions.